Moving tips!
Hi everyone! Here we are back again at Moving Tips. You know, at some point there comes a time when you need to plan your first move ever. And you might think that it's the perfect time to start a panic. Don't!
Don't panic! Don't panic! Don't panic! Don't panic!
In this episode of Moving Tips, we are going to share a perfectly organized first apartment checklist to make your first move ever easy and stress-free. You know that if you subscribe and hit the bell here, you won't miss new videos. Also, push the like button, which encourages us to make new interesting episodes for you. Moving to your first apartment may become a nightmare. Or, if you plan it carefully with our help, it may turn to be a pleasant experience. Oh, do you know how old, or should I say how young, should you be to legally move out of your parents' home? If you do, state that in a comment below. If you don't, keep watching this video and we'll tell you.
Moving tips!
Or you may visit our friend and partner Movie-Me company and find tons of useful information on moving, be that your first, third, or whatever move. There may be different reasons why you are leaving your parents' home and moving to your first apartment ever. The most common are college or serious relationship. In any case, you will have to start your Start New page of your life with a good checklist of what to do and what to buy before your first move ever. What to do? About 3-4 weeks prior to the move, find out who can help you with your move. Should you hire a moving company, a moving van, or ask your friends to help you pack and move? The good thing about the first move is that you don't have a 3-bedroom worth of stuff to worry about. Yet, remember that at Moving-Me you can find a perfectly matching moving company that will take care of your move even if it's just a few boxes and a treadmill. Once you've decided on your helpers, start packing. Pack your clothes in boxes separating things by seasons. Sign each box accordingly. Consider using clear plastic boxes so that you can easily find what you need later on. That is in case your first apartment wouldn't have a nice closet to keep your clothes.
Moving tips!
Now to the what to buy list. You will need things for kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, living room or study. At Moving-Me you can download and print a full moving checklist. You can adjust the list according to your needs and make up your own. Contact your landlord and find out what your new apartment is already equipped with. Ask your parents what kind of kitchen or household gear you can take. Cross those items out of your list. Now it's time to go shopping.
Oh shit!
The truth is, you don't need to buy all that at once. Prioritizing the things you need for your first apartment above the things you want can help you budget and plan for filling up the empty space in your new place. A mattress should be one of the first items you buy after signing your apartment lease. Yes, you would be fine sleeping on the floor, but life gets crazy, busy, and that first night on the floor could easily turn into a month before you find the time to purchase a mattress. After a long day of moving, you will probably be dying for a hot shower. Pack your toiletry items, soap, shampoo, etc. with the other items in this section of your first apartment checklist, and you will be ready for some much-needed self-care. You could stick with paper plates and cups until you buy a full dish set, but we recommend going ahead and purchasing a few of these items before you move in. If you haven't set up your internet or TV service yet, check out what providers service your new address. Finally, invest in some hangers before the move. The sooner you can get your clothing unpacked and put away, the sooner your first apartment will feel like home. And back to the main question. At what age can you legally move out of your parents' house? Technically, yet even at 12 years old, as long as you have your parents' permission and have proper supervision. Professional movers claim that you need at least 3-4 weeks to plan your first move carefully. And that is the good news, guys, because your every next move will take a week or so more to plan. You get more life, you get more stuff. Well, that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching our video and let us know in the comments below what you would want to see in our next videos. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. Stay safe and good luck with your first move.
Moving tips.